2026-yil 12-fevral Jizzax Zaxarov tumanidagi 6-maktabdamiz. Qizil hududga tushgani o'zi past maktablar ro'yxatida turibdi. Hozir 3-sinfda ingliz dars tahliliga kiryapmiz.
7 o'clockmi, 6 o'clockmi, 5 o'clockmi, hamma o'zini necha turishini yozadi.
Tongdami?
Yes. Yozdikmi? Nimani eshitamiz endi? Question number 2. Let's listen. Eshitaylik. Okay, hamma endi I go to school at va nuqtachalarning o'rniga hamma vaqtini yozadi. Masalan, men maktabga boraman 8 o'clock. What about you? Sizchi? O'clockmi, 7 o'clockmi?
8 o'clock.
Okay. You also, yes? Nimaga to'xtab turish kerak? Quick. Question 3.
What time do you have lunch?
Have lunch. Bo'ldi, boshqa o'quvchilarga qo'ymayman. Hozir o'qiyman og'zaki.
Close, open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your nose. Close, open, close, everybody clap, clap, clap. Open, close, everybody touch your
Ears. Ears.
Open, close.
Emani javobi. I get up at 7:30. Nechta turar ekan? 7:30da turar ekan. Maya so do I dedi. Maya nima dedi? Men ham dedi. Endi pastdagi savol 8 mi?
5 bar bo'ldi. 9.
Notali so'zlarni yozib olamiz. Ketdik, birinchisi, hamma yozsin orqadan. Birinchisi. Get upni bilamizmi? Nima degani get up?
Ertalab turmoq.
Okay, lekin uni oldidan early so'zi ham keldi. Get up early. Barvaqt turmoq. Barvaqt turmoq. Qani? Is the morning? Is the morning nima edi? Ertalab. Is the evening? Yoki yes, yoki no deb javob yozamiz. Agar bilmayman desangiz, mana do'stlarga nima qildik? Tarjimalarni yozdik. Bilmayman deb bahona qilmaymiz. Okay? Nechinchi mashq ekan? 12, page number 51. From student's book mi, workbookmi? From student's book. Understand? Daftarga yozib kelish. Savolga javob. Understand?
Yes.
What time do you get up?
What? I get up.
Okay.
4 o'clock.
At 4 o'clock. What time do you go to school?
I go to school 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Good